team's hallmark colors, orange, blue, and white, are echoed in the energetic color combination of this special sneaker model. The Astros' rich heritage and connections to the energetic city of Houston are honored in the design. Because the upper portion is made of lightweight mesh, which guarantees breathability and comfort, it's ideal for both sports fans and people who like a fashionable, laid-back aesthetic. Wearers enjoy a lovely walking or running experience because of the additional cushioning and support provided by the huge Air Max unit in the heel, which is a standard feature of the 270 series. The partnership between Nike and the Houston Astros exemplifies how sport and lifestyle can coexist, producing a sneaker that will appeal to both sneakerheads and game enthusiasts. Nike's dedication to performance and flair perfectly captures the Astros' inventive and dynamic culture. Fans of the team will buy the shoe as a collector's item because it frequently has unique branding aspects like team logos or limited edition insignias. SRP is $160.